Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Mike Chima, and today I'll be showing you how to draw this two-dimensional diagram using AutoCAD. This two-dimensional diagram using AutoCAD. So without further ado, let's dive into our drawing. So we'll come to this rectangle tool here. We click to get this square, the first square, the bigger square. We have 80 and 80 here. This both the height and the width of it is 80 and 80. So what we do here is we click the rectangle tool, we click and drag, and as you can see you have different values here. You have 106 and 102. So what we do to get this the same exact size from this our reference, we input the value 80 and we press the tab key on your keyboard and also put 80, and this is your perfect square. And now what's the next thing to do? But before we proceed, we need make sure your snap tools are all activated. This is where you get your snap tool, and make sure they are all activated. It will help you a lot in marking both the midpoint, endpoint, center, and other parts of your shape. So it is very important and necessary. And also another thing you should know, and also that will help you, is your auto mode. For straight and accurate lines, both vertical and horizontal lines. So this is your auto mode now, but I will be deactivating it for now because of this line here. Now from our reference, you will find out that we have these lines that are in form of dashes, that is as if the line skipped. It was intentional, it's not a mistake. For those of us that don't know about it, it is called construction lines. It has meaning. It represents um, something in AutoCAD, in construction and drawing, in CAD designs in general. So what we do here is to get we proceed by drawing this tiny circle here, and from our reference diagram here we can see that this tiny circle is diameter 17. This symbol is the symbol for diameter. So we have this the smaller circle here is diameter 17, and the bigger ones are diameter 40. So what we do, we come to this circle, and we click center diameter. Then in a situation whereby this midpoint is not showing, make sure just hover your cursor around the shape and it will automatically show. Now what we do, we click the center and we drag and we put our diameter, which is diameter what, 17, and that is it. Now the next thing we'll do is we are going to draw this line. If you observe very well from this place, you see there is a line at this center. This line at this a dash. There is the different several dashes here and also here. So what we do is to get those that to get these lines. So what we do is we come to our layer, we click on new, sorry, yeah, sorry, I really need to extend this thing, layer properties. Good. And these are layer properties, and we'll come this you come to this little icon here, which is create new layer, and we can call it dashes, or let's put dash. Then you come to this your continue, this your what do you call it, line type. We This is the normal line, this is the default line. So we click on this load and we use this AutoCAD ISO blah blah blah. We use this one, this first one here, this dash. So press OK, and you see that most people make this mistake. They'll say they activated it but it's not working. You see that even after loading it here, your this place is still highlighted, this continuous, this normal line. So what you do is you click this dash, make sure it's the one that is highlighted, and you press OK. So whatever we are drawing under this layer under this layer will automatically be in this dash format here. So what we do is we have the dash and we have the continuous line. Now to get that center line that is in this dash form, we'll click this dash, make sure it is here, then we can close that tab, and then we pick our line tool, we come to the center and we draw to the center. Sorry, are you saying that it's not showing dash, it's still showing solid line? We delete. It's because I've not yet changed my layer. So what we'll do is I'll come to this layer properties, this place you're showing 0, that's the default layer. I'll click and I'll make sure I click dash, make sure it's in dash to get that line, that dash. So what we'll do, we click and we drag down to the center, and this is it. This is it. You do the same thing, you press enter key to repeat the same tool. You click to the other end, and that is it. And what else do we have? We click again and we click from this point to this point, yeah, escape, enter, from this point to this point, escape. And what else? Okay, we have this other line here from this square that has been rotated. So what we do to just make it, we click our polyline, click polyline, come to this place, click here, we click here, we click here. This is just the fastest way to do this. Click here. Now the difference between, I believe some of us know the difference between polyline and normal line. If you don't know, I'll briefly talk about it. So polyline is continuous line. It's a line that is continuous. It doesn't matter how you bend it, the direction it takes. But the difference between it and line is that line is just wherever it stops, that is where you stop. Wherever you stop, that is where it will stop. It's not continuous. So as you can see now, we started here, and everything is, if we click it, everything here will be highlighted because we used polyline here. So that's it. Now to get these bigger circles, from this line, from these dashes I drew here, we can easily get the center point of these boxes in that is here, these 4 boxes. So what do we do now? We'll come back to our diameter, center diameter, and then we click at the center point here, and we put, sorry, it's still showing, as you can see, this circle is still showing that dash. So what we do is we press escape, we go back to our layer, and then we change our layer to 0, the normal one, and then we come back here and we click center diameter, click the circle, drag it down, and you put the value. Let me get the value again. Okay, the value here is 40. So we come to center diameter, center here, put the value 40, enter. Same thing, press enter. Same thing here, 40, enter. Sorry, it's using radius, not diameter. Center 40, enter. Diameter again, 40, enter. If you press enter, sorry, diameter, and we have 40. So this is it. This is just the this a replica of this drawing here. So for dimensioning, I will show you how to dimension your drawing in another video. So thank you very much. I hope this video was very useful to you. Do well to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.